morning everyone. My name is Pranna Mujade and today I am going to present a presentation on sector analysis which is guided by Vinod Vaikar sir. Now let's move on to the presentation. So my sector is media and entertainment sector and my company is Z Media. Now let us see the introduction to the sector. The Indian media entertainment industry is a sunrise of the sector for the company and is making a significant stride. The industry has largely been driven by increasing digitalization and higher internet usage over the last decade. The Indian advertising industry is projected to be the second fastest growing advertising market in Asia after China. At present, advertising revenue accounts for around 0.38 of India's gross domestic product. Foreign direct investment (FDI) follows in the information and broadcasting sector. For the period April 2000 to March 2020 stood up US $9.20 billion as per the data released by the Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade. The Indian film industry reached ₹100 billion in 2019, increasing share of Hollywood content in Indian box office and 3D cinemas is driving the growth of digital screens in the country. India's video streaming industries is expected to grow at a CAGR at 21.82% in 2023. Now let us see the industry in the media and entertainment. It has industries like television industry, print industry, film industry, radio industry, live entertainment industries, etc. Now let us see the industry key players of the sector, which are as follows: PVR Cinemas, Inox, Cinemax, Cinepolis, Disney Hotstar, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Sony Live, Star Plus, Sony Colors, ZTV, Red FM, Radio Mirchi, Radio City, Bing FM, etc. Now let us see the SWOT analysis of the sector. The strength of the sector are the growing middle class with higher disposable income has become the strength of the media and entertainment industry. Change in lifestyle and spending pattern of the Indian mass of entertainment. Weakness of the sector are the media and entertainment sector in India is highly fragmented. Lack of cohesive production and distribution infrastructure, especially in the case of music industry. Opportunities to the sector are the increasing interest of the global investors in the sector, rapid deregulation in the industries. Threats to the sector are piracy, violation of intellectual property. Property right poses a major threat of the media and entertainment company. Lack of quality content has emerged as a major concern because of quick buck route being followed in the industry. Now let us see the introduction of Z Entertainment Company. Z Entertainment Enterprises Limited is one of the India's leading media and entertainment company. It is amongst the largest producer and aggregator of entertainment content in the world. Z and its affiliated company have leading presence across the media value chain including television, broadcasting, cable distribution, direct-to-home satellite service, digital media and print media amongst others. Z Entertainment is well-known brand include ZTV, Z Anmol, Big Magic, Z Cinemas and Pictures, Z Action, Z Classic, Z Cafe, Z Studios, Zing, etc. Bollywood, etc. The company should also commission serial, game shows, etc. through director producers on contract basis. Purchase right of Hindi film serials and other programs from the producers for the predetermined period. Now let us see the SWOT analysis of the company. The strengths of the company are the channel of Z Entertainment provide good content to the viewers and consequently enjoy a high TRP rating. Z enjoys high subscription revenue from international as well as domestic subscribers. Weakness to the company are the attrition rate in the company has increased. Z is finding it difficult to to garner more viewership rating in the 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. time slot. Opportunities to the company are subscription revenue will increase both from numbers of pay TV home as well as increase subscription rate. Zee Entertainment had opportunity to benefit from the projected robust growth of media and entertainment industries. Threats to the company are the government may delay the rollout of CAS. Zee Entertainment derives majority of its revenue and profits from the flagship channel Zee TV, which is a general entertainment channel. Now let us see the challenges and suggestions to the company. Challenges are as follows. The company has been widely recognized for fostering a culture of entrepreneurship and has indulged the best place to work in media and entertainment in the study conducted by Great Place to Work Institute in 2019. The other challenge is on 25th January 2019, Zee Group experienced a fall of almost 30 to 35% in the stock prices. The stocks of Zee Entertainment and Dish TV saw major falls, and SL Propack also saw some falls. Suggestions My suggestions to the company is that they should focus on strong script regarding serial, movies, dramas, etc. They should focus on proper cast to entertainment the viewers. It has been observed that Zee Entertainment product resembles to other competitive products, so that the company should focus on innovation and do not resemble to other products. So this was all about my presentation. Thank you.